Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to request a credit limit increase with Capital One. Alright, if you've been wondering how to do that, this video is for you. It's going to be a step-by-step guide, and it's going to be a quick one. So let's just get straight into it. So the first thing you're going to do is to log into your account. Now you can log into your account on the website, or you can also do that through the mobile app. So either one you want to use, just go ahead and log into your account. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on the credit limit increase button, and that's going to start the request process. And now you're just going to enter the requested credit limits that you desire, and you're going to need to provide income and employment information to support the credit limits increase request. Once that's done, just review and confirm the credit limit increase request. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to request a credit limit increase with Capital One. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.